Wi-Fi Cash Bot review. Hey everyone and welcome back. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you Wi-Fi Cash Bot, a done-for-you tool that claims to generate passive income using just your phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Built around automation, the system supposedly handles everything from affiliate commissions to ad revenue without requiring users to create content or do any technical work. Additionally, I have some exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Let's see some amazing features of Wi-Fi Cash Bot and understand what it can do for us. 1. One-tap activation. It only takes 30 seconds and a single tap to launch the system. No setup headaches, no learning curve. Just tap your phone and let the automation begin. 2. 5 built-in income streams. From affiliate commissions to ad revenue and AI-generated profits, Wi-Fi Cash Bot runs multiple streams of income at once, all on autopilot, so you earn passively while doing other things. 3. Zero tech skills needed. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Whether you're 18 or 80, the step-by-step training and done-for-you setup make it easy for total beginners. 4. Works on any device, anywhere. As long as you've got Wi-Fi and a smartphone, you're in. It works on iPhone, Android, tablets, and even old laptops. No downloads or fancy hardware required. 5. No content, no camera, no selling, no filming, no face on screen, and no awkward sales tactics. You stay completely anonymous while the bot does the work in the background. Now let's see the OTOs of Wi-Fi Cash Bot. First, we have already seen the Wi-Fi Cash Bot front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $47. Second OTO is 100% Done For You Edition for $67. Third OTO is Unlimited Traffic for $67. Fourth OTO is Automation for $47. Fifth OTO, AI ATM Edition for $37. Lastly, the sixth OTO is a license rights for $97. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Wi-Fi Cash Bot at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Here are the powerful bonuses that you will get with the Wi-Fi Cash Bot if you decide to go with it. Done-for-you setup, weekly live Q&A sessions, quick start guide, and 10 extra secret money-making bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. You've seen what Wi-Fi Cash Bot can do. It's not complicated, it's not expensive, and it's built for people just like you. The longer you hesitate, the more you're missing out. Take action right now, lock in your access, and let the system do the heavy lifting while you enjoy real results.